Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to say a massive thank you for coming across this page. I know time is limited for everyone, and I just want to take a quick moment to show you my biggest bonus package of 2024. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer, and I've stacked this bonus for a product called the Automated Commission System by Ben Fletcher. It's less than $10, and I'm essentially giving you a few grand of bonuses on the other side when you pick this up today. All right. So the automated commission system is a system that just allows you to drive continuous sales on autopilot, so you can be out there with your family, your friends, and generate sales on a complete autopilot while you're out doing that, because you're reaping the rewards of the work, or the 10, 15 minutes of work that you've done following Ben's system, and being able to, generate those sales, so, you can enjoy going out for dinner. You're spending maybe $100 on dinner, and while you're out, you've made $300 to $500 in commissions using what Ben has to show you today. So this is the power of what complete automation talks about. All right. So I'm just going to quickly show you what automation is, how it works really quickly, and then we'll dive into the bonuses, because I want to actually show you the proof of what this means. Okay. So we're inside my inbox, and then complete automation means sales coming in day and night, on a complete autopilot. So as you can see here, I'm generating all these sales inside my inbox coming through in my Warrior Plus account. All right. So just all the time. And this is what happens when you implement Ben's system. So $120 here, $120 there again, $48 there, 143 here, 34 there, 34, 27 there. And this is all within a day's, 24 hours work. Okay. So what we're doing here with Ben's stuff, right, is Ben's got a very special system. It's, like I said, it's literally for $10, and he shows you the pathway on how to generate commissions on autopilot day in and day out. And I'm just going to show you some of the training. And he's basically put everything into a no-brainer training. He's given you all the assets, the resources, how to do this properly, how to set it up, and just start generating sales. And there's so much content in here. Now, in terms of the bonuses, and I know everyone's wondering what the bonuses are, so we're just going to go ahead and jump into that. So like I said, this is my biggest bonus bundle ever. This expires tomorrow, Sunday, 21st of January at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. This will not be extended. Like I said, if you go ahead and you try and buy this after this time, you won't be able to download the bonuses. All right, it'll be all in vain. So you must download these bonuses before this time. Purchase it for $10, and you'll get all these bonuses. Okay. So this is the video here you're currently watching. Just below this video, you can click on this link, and it'll take you to the sales page. All right, and then that's where you can buy it, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now, if you jump in for less than $10, I'm going to give you 3 entries into my PlayStation 5 contest. It's going to be, you can either take, if you win the PlayStation 5, I'll send it out to your house, or I'll just give you the equivalent in the cash for that. Okay. They're also going to send you $1,000, 1,000 visitors to any affiliate offer that you want. So when you jump into Ben's system, he's going to show you how to promote products. On top of that, I'm going to send 1,000 visitors to your offer, which essentially gives you guaranteed sales. On top of that, I'm going to give you my training to Resurgence. Plus, I'm also going to give you the Done For You upgrade as well. All right. The Done For You upgrade in itself is $197. I'll give you that on top of the Resurgence 2.0. And I'm even going to throw in license rights to this offer as well. Okay, where you get 80% commissions on the funnel. I've stopped selling license rights on all my offers. All right, you can only get that in my Breakout University coaching program now. Okay, I'm giving you license rights to Resurgence 2.0 as a special thank you for picking up Ben's offer today for $10. I'm also going to give you Profit Link, Done For You package, and Profit Automation machines as well. Now, this Profit Link is something very special that I use, inside, and it helps me generate 7 figures every year. So you guys get access to that. You're also going to get access to my 10K profit system, the profit boosters as well, that, instead of like having $50 in profits, it's going to drive it up to $150, $200. And you're also going to get the Done For You package as well, where we have all the Done For You funnels, guaranteed approval on all the offers, you get more exposure, you get make more money. It's really a no-brainer. All right. Then we have the profit paid commission software completely unlocked. All right, so this is what it's all about. You're going to get a complete software, a page builder. It connects up to the autoresponders. You know, it generates sales. It has over 50 sources of free traffic as well. So you can tap into all the social networks that you need to and just drive free traffic to your affiliate links and make sales. All right. Now, Ben does have upgrades. Okay, Ben does have upgrades. So I just want to be fully transparent with you guys. And I've added bonuses to those as well. So if you do choose to jump onto Ben's offer, I'm going to incentivize these bonuses because I just want to show you how important it is to jump onto these. So in the first upgrade, he's going to give you access to even more of what he's got to offer. All right, he's giving you an all access pass. You know how you usually buy like a front end and you get limited stuff. Well, even though that Ben has unloaded a lot of content inside his $10 product, he's giving you an all access pass to everything that he's done. You're going to get instant access to his super affiliate training products. All right, you're going to get instant access to that. You're going to get ultra profit high ticket offers to promote straight away. So instead of making like $5, $10 here and there, make $500, $1,000. All right. You're going to get all of his top affiliate offers in multiple niches that he's promoted, and that's raked in tens of thousands of dollars for him as well. You're going to lifetime access. You'll get bonuses underground, little known affiliate networks that he personally uses. You know, his super affiliate email training. This guy emails and it's fire. All right. I've seen his emails and they convert. They make me want to buy. So it's fully recommend you jump onto this. Now, he usually sells this for $697, okay? For a one-time only, he's going to offer it for $197. So what I've done is that I've actually added more bonuses on top. So for $197, if you get that, you're going to get 10 extra entries into the PS5 contest. You're going to get 3,000 more visitors to your offer. Actually, no, scrap that. I'm going to make it 5,000, okay? 5,000 more visitors. You're going to get a $200 coupon off my Breakout University program, all right? Instant money saver. You know, you're spending $197 on here. I'm going to give you a credit of $200 if you decide to join my Breakout University program. Now, you can only get access, you know, to an invitation to this program. It's very lucrative. It'll be in your members area, and I'll give you a special coupon for that. You're going to get Exodus and all the upgrades, rebuilds, all the upgrades. You're going to get nearly pretty much all my past products and all the upgrades, okay? You're going to get everything. And this also includes, you know, the profit code, all right? It also includes Titan AI. It also, and these are all the upgrades. You're also going to get, what else is there? There's Phoenix 4. I think I've already got it there, but I'll say it again. You know, there's so many offers and all the upgrades, okay? So when you pick up all these upgrades, or when you pick up the upgrade or OTO1 for $197, you're going to get all these assets as well, plus 5,000 more visitors sent to your offer, $200 coupon to Breakout University, etc. All right. There is another upgrade as well. It's called the Underground Traffic. So if you pick up everything, okay, and there's another one called this one, his license rights. So he's going to allow you to promote all his offers pretty much for 80% commissions, I believe. 100%, no, 100% commissions, okay? So he's going to let you promote his stuff, 100% commissions, just for a one-time fee of $97. Also for the underground traffic that he's got as well, to get more, you know, get millions and millions of people to come into your offers. You know, he usually does this for $497. He's doing it for a one-time of $97, all right? So if you pick up all the upgrades, all right, this is only for people that pick up all the upgrades on Ben's offer. You're going to get a 30-minute call with me personally. We're going to dive into your business and see, you know, what we can do in order to get you on the pathway to six-figure success. All right, I have a structure to these calls. We come in and I put you in the right direction. All right, this is what it's all about. It's a strategy session. a 30-minute strategy session to jump in and all that. You can only do this if you get all the upgrades. You just send your receipts to me, and I'll send you an invite link to book a time with me. Okay. We're also going to send an extra 4,000 website visitors to this as well. All right. So on top, if you've already picked up OTO1 and all this, you're going to get over 10,000 visitors straight away. All right. You're even going to get 150 clicks on top of that to my buyers list. All right. Buyers list, these make me sales all the time. I generate nearly $1,000 just from that every day without fail. All right. And you'll get to, and I'll blast your link to that as well. So if you have a special affiliate link you want me to do, I'll do that. I'll unlock all the upgrades, okay, on my next launch. So I've got a new product coming up called Delta. I'll give you all the upgrades. All right. It's a new funnel system, AI-driven funnel system. It allows you to create really cool pages using AI, promote offers just with, a couple of clicks of a button, and it really drives a lot of traffic as well. So you'll get all the upgrades on that, automation, everything. You'll get my 70K in 30 days case study worth about $3,000. Crash automators that turn Facebook visitors into high ticket buyers. So you can leverage this when using, Ben's thing. Huge thank you done for you fast track commission generator. All right, all access to my cash converting digital assets and rapid fire 24-hour commission strategy as well. Okay, the 30-minute call is probably the real game changer here. All right, this is what you want. I don't offer calls anymore on my coaching programs either. So you're getting a lucrative time with me. So for those that pick up all the upgrades, you must pick up all the upgrades in order to book this call. There's a special link with an email. Okay, there's a special link that I'll send you that you can book that call as well. So guys, this is my bonus. Like I said, limited to tomorrow. That's it. Once that's done, I will no longer be offering these anymore. The download link will be taken down. And, like I said, don't do it in vain. Don't come over here, 10 minutes after the deadline, because I will stay up and make sure I remove it. You have to buy it. Okay, I can't stress it enough. If you really want to start going in automation to six-figure success, this is the pathway to do it. You get all the assets, you get all the training. This just gives you a really good leg up in the industry. And also, if you grab all the upgrades, we'll be able to put you in the right direction. All right, that nudge in the right direction for me, it was just off a 30-minute quick call, and within the next 10 days, I was sitting around almost making an extra $10,000. It's amazing what you can do when you start, putting yourself in the right positions at the right time, driving forward. So guys, if you're serious about this, if you're watching this on the page, on this page here, please click this button below. If you're watching this on YouTube, go in the description, click on this, you'll come to this page, go here, go to the sales page, just simply click on here. It's a no-brainer. If you want to have a read of Ben's offer, that's fine. Ben's a great guy, top bloke. He will never do you wrong. All right. This is just the nicest guy on earth. Click on this button here, on the yellow button. Go here, enter your details. Okay. And then, if you want to pick up this bump, Commission Bully 3M training, watch over his shoulder as he breaks down, completely expose his secret tactics. You can pick this bump up for $17 as well. All right. It's just an added bonus of when people do these bumps, you can jump in and really enjoy what people have to offer. So guys, and he's even backing with a 365 day money back guarantee. So, if you don't like it, get a refund. But just remember, if you refund, you lose your bonuses. So guys, make sure you jump in, go ahead, take it. If you buy it, you download the link and everything like that. You download my bonuses. Like I said, you must, actually, you know what? Keep the bonuses. I don't care. This is up to you. Even if you get today, if you pick it up today and in a few days' time you don't like it, get a refund. All right. I don't encourage it, but you will be blown away what Ben has to offer. All right. Makes it so simple, so easy. So guys, jump in, get the bonuses, and I'll see you inside. And for those that get all the upgrades, I can't wait to book in that call. Cheers.